Are diesel treatments actually worth it, or are they just a waste of money and snake oil? Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. So I went with these Arch oil treatments here. We've got basically a winter blend and a summer blend. It says that they're supposed to add horsepower. They're supposed to help clean the emissions system. They're supposed to increase the octane, which boosts MPG, etc., etc. Now, at first I thought it was just snake oil, but a weird thing happened the other day. I was driving to work and my DPF filter was over 35%, almost getting ready to do a regen. But by the time I got to work, it actually dropped probably 10 or 15%. When I fired my truck up in the morning and just drove out of the parking lot, it dropped another 10%. So it would seem that maybe it actually is treating the DPF without actually ever having to go into an active regen. What do you guys think?